Welcome to our excursion to the ancient city of Pompeii, Italy, which has been excavated.
For tickets, which are 16 euros a piece, they have some shops and restaurants, of course, as usual. Here is where gladiators would train, and the top floor was where they would stay, and the bottom floor had housed their weapons.
Each year, over 2.6 million tourists come to visit this excavated town of Pompeii, which in its heyday was fairly wealthy and had a population of approximately 11,000. They've uncovered many buildings, including theaters, amphitheaters, many public buildings, shops, suburban baths, and temples to Apollo, Venus, and Jupiter. My sources tell me that the excavations began accidentally in 1592. It was discovered some walls with paintings. Then in 1693, other walls were excavated. Then in 1738, digging for a summer place for King of Naples, Herculaneum, which was part of Pompeii, was discovered. In 1748, there were further findings. Then August 20th of 1763, an inscription was found stating Pompeii was the name of the town. In 1799 through 1815, the French excavated quite a bit of this. And then in 1863, voids in the ash containing human remains were found, and they injected plaster in these, which revealed the way the people died that were still there in the city. In front of us is the Grand Theater. The city was destroyed in 79 AD when Mount Vesuvius, which is nearby and still an active volcano, erupted for 2 days. We were not able to get a good view due to the low cloud cover during our excursion, which was disappointing. It is said that the eruption occurred, depending on which source you read, either on August 24th or late October or early November of 79 AD. It covered the city with anywhere from 13 to 20 feet or 4 to 6 meters of volcanic ash and pumice. It is stated that the first 18 hours of the 2-day eruption was basically pumice, and most of the inhabitants of the city were able to leave. Then it was followed by ash coming down from the volcano, and what's called a pyroclastic flow, which can go at speeds of anywhere from 62 to 435 miles per hour, which is very quick. It is believed that most people died of the heat from this. It says that an instant death can occur even if you're at a distance of 10 kilometers or 6 miles, and even if you are in a building. 1,150 bodies have been discovered.
Here's where they could cook and get what in that time was fast food. Made out of terracotta stone. No. Fast food.
Oh, okay. So this is a business. Next.
Big opening means a shop. Narrow opening means a house, a residence. They had 36 bakeries that they found here.
Houses and business. And you understand that
This is the main street of Pompeii.
big.
Yeah.
And we go to see where the rich family live. Allora, poor people, most of the poor.
These depressed square tile areas are scattered throughout the city, and they are used to collect rainwater when it rained, and they drained into large cisterns that would house the water for future use. It was very brilliant. The town has scattered gardens like this one seen here, and they would grow things for beauty as well as crops for eating, and also they knew of over 400 medicinal plants that would be used for medical treatments of various types of conditions.
They understood hygiene was very important. So those people could come here twice a week. No problem. The big open area in the middle was the so-called the gymnasium. You understand? You still use this.
This open area was a gymnasium. This is the male side of the bathhouse. These were our rooms.
As you can see from this map, there are 9 regions to the city of Pompeii. Unfortunately, due to a torrential downpour that occurred suddenly with strong winds, and we had to make a mad dash for the bus, we were only able to show you about 3 or 4 of these areas. We were very disappointed that we could not film the whole city. Thus ends our excursion to the city of Pompeii. We hope you liked it and enjoyed it. Please subscribe and click a like if you would. Thanks for watching.